A La Crosse County Board Supervisor wants to send a message to community members about racism, and he's hopeful the county's board will unanimously approve a resolution making racism an official public health crisis.
News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstad tells us more about how inequities affect people's safety.
You revealed a large problem in the eyes of La Crosse County Board Supervisor Rick Cornforth.
Racism and systemic racism, it impacts all of us.
Diana Diaz Granados, who is part of the Creating a Healthier Multicultural Community project, helps show the disparities minority populations face in La Crosse County. There's a clear inequity in the number of children of color who experience poverty compared to white children.
And the root causes of that are embedded in a system that has allowed that to continue.
Data on who received the COVID-19 vaccine revealed inequities as well.
It's definitely a spotlight on the current and historical health outcomes in minorities.
The La Crosse County Health and Human Services Board declared racism as a public health crisis last Tuesday.
I think that will send a message to all of our constituents and residents in La Crosse County that we're all in this together.
These leaders agree racism can come from any person.
Not only white people bring those inherited biases to the table, they come from every direction and every culture.
Diaz Granados says changes to policies can offer minorities the same chances to achieve healthy and sustainable lives.
That thought that you should pull yourself up by your bootstraps. But if for 400 years you didn't have any boots, how are you going to pull yourself up?
Cornforth says safety of law enforcement and La Crosse's neighborhoods are at stake too.
Everybody's safety is at risk here.
The hope is this will result in more than just more words.
What about this is going to change anything?
The last thing I want to happen is for this to be a piece of paper.
We need to all be part of fixing and dismantling racism.
In La Crosse, Jordan Fremstad, News 8 Now.
So now the resolution goes before the full county board next Tuesday.
We do have some useful resources about racial disparities on our website, news8000.com.